family, welcome back to another episode of Montego Baby's Jamaican Cuisine. And so what we are doing now, we are start a new series, new playlist per se. And what we are going to do is basically we are going to go around and review different restaurants in the Utah area, Salt Lake area, and let you guys see what's going on over here on this side. I've kind of explored other places outside of my specific state, and now I want to actually show you guys what Utah has to offer. You know what I mean? We have a lot of different cuisines here. We have a lot of different cultures, and I want you guys to kind of see what's going on. But we're gonna start it off basic. The name of the series, I'm gonna name it Jamaican Finds Food. You know what I mean? That's gonna be the name of the new series. And I love going around trying different cuisines, and I want you guys to come along and see what it is. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit up this place called Crown Burger. We're gonna start it off light with burgers. I'm gonna hit up two spots. I'm gonna try Crown Burger, which I've done before. They're pretty good. They're really good actually. And I want you guys to kind of see what they have to offer. So if you guys are in the city here, you can hit them up as well. And then I'm gonna review a place that I've never tried before, which is gonna come later on. But for right now, we're gonna definitely grade the food and let you guys know. We're gonna grade it on a 10-point scale from 1 to 10. Where we put it, and actually taste the food in front of you, that you see what it is. Stuff that I've done before. So I'm glad you joined me again. What's up to my new subscribers? Blessed love, welcome to the family, and blessed love to the people that has been with me for a while. So one love, more love, righteousness. Stay tuned for more. Alright, so this is what the menu kind of looks like here. You guys can see it. I'm going for the 2 Crown Burgers here. Alright, yeah, can I do 2 of your the Crown Burgers is with the pastrami, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, can I do 2 Crown Burgers, please?
Okay.
Alright, can I do 2 of your fry sauce as well? Yeah, 2 Crown Burgers by themselves, and 2 fry sauce. What do you got? Yeah, that's it. Alright, thanks, man. Alright, family, so we get the food. Me already like be outside now, the fresh air, and be able to enjoy the scenery while me eat. So here's our Crown Burger here. Their signature burger. What this is pastrami meat, and you have one beef patty there as well. Lettuce and tomato. And then how me like have mine? I like have mine smothered in what's called fry sauce. So it's a special type of sauce they got over here. Everybody have their own little way of doing it, but really and truly the basic way to do it is just mayo and ketchup. So I like mine smothered. So I put all that sauce on there and put that over, and now I'm about to indulge. So as far as smell is concerned, definitely up there smell good. Taste, pastrami nice, a little bit salty. Now we about to get a bite. Yo, this mess is on point. Me personally, if no rate this, like me say on a 10-point scale. Flavor, presentation, everything look nice, not dry, moist. Now give this at least a 9.5. The only reason why I take off a little bit, it would have been better with 2 patties. You know what I mean? You gotta come real correct to get 10 points. But 9.5 I think is really good. So if you're in the area, Salt Lake City, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description, that you guys know where this is. They have a few different locations in the valley here, but definitely a must try if you come to Utah. So we'll go feature another place and make you guys see what's going on and rate it and see which one better. But just stay tuned and come back and check back with me with that. See? More love.